Well, hey guys, we got a little 12 2x10 action going on. That's the existing door right there. We're gonna rip out. Right there's our new one. It is gonna be a low headroom scenario. So we have a front mount low headroom, and we may have to convert it to a rear mount, but we're gonna measure everything and make sure and verify that first. Stick around, this is gonna be fun. All right, everybody, got it all taken out. TJ and I were battling the vertical tracks because they were welded to the jambs. Come up here and see. There's one weld, there's another one. Seems about like every foot the holes were in the tracks, but we got those out. TJ's gonna grind those down, and I'm gonna get some measurements and see if this door's fitting. Alright guys, put the laser up there at the top. This is the high side, vertical. Right there, it's on the ground and it is the high side. So shooting the line across the top over here, you can see how much this one had to go up. Come down to the bottom of the verticals, look how much it's off the floor. And it's level at the top. I can't stress enough how much lasers make your job nice and straight. Alright guys, we got her all finished up. Check it out. Brand new, looks good. We got that low headroom tracking, which we double hung it just to kind of keep it nice and stable. Nice straight spring line. Works good, works good. You can see how much that floor drops right down there. In the beginning of the video when I showed you, the bottom of the vert track, that's how much it had to go up because that's how much the floor's out. So yeah, laser levels are definitely worth it. We were supposed to put this old girl up right here, about 3 decades old, but it's not gonna fit, too short. Right there's what she looks like on the outside. We got that one window, nice reframed opening. As you can see, we put the 4-inch on there and we got to seal up a lot better than what it was. Crooked floor, 4-inch is gonna take care of it. Hey, thanks for checking us out. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and peace out.